Now let's look at how we can create our own documentation indexed by cursor. Let's say in our chat, I want to add image button. And when I click on this image button, I can upload an image from my laptop or from my mobile phone with some drawing, and this will be included into the context of the interview. For this, we need to use one of the models in Token Factory in Nebius, like Gemma or Quen or Nematron. They all, you can find them all in Vision tab, and they all support images as input. So let's see how we can add documentation to cursor and then implement that. So first thing we need to do, we need to go to docs.tokenfactory.nebius and just copy this link, as this is the start link of this documentation. Then you need to go to cursor settings, in settings, go to indexing and docs. You can click add doc here and just add link to your documentation. It will parse this page and it will also parse all the sub pages. So we click confirm. We need to wait some time while it is indexing the whole documentation. Now we can see that documentation for Token Factory is indexed, so we can use it in the agent. Use Token Factory to implement upload functionality in chat. There should be an image icon. Use Lucid library, which is quite a good library for icons. When clicked, I want to be able to select an image and upload it. It should be attached to the message and sent to the model. Don't send image immediately, allow user to add text message to it. Modify row.ts to support it and use Quen model instead of the current one. Let's now run the agent. Okay, the agent is ready and let's check the result. Let's now test the app. So add in some random job description. We can see add image button. So I uploaded some random photo of a burger. What is on the image? Send. Let's see, image is displayed in chat. The image shows deliciously looking burger served on a wooden plate. Okay, nice. So this is what we wanted. I think it might be useful if you want to upload some drawing which you made on paper or some code which you wrote on paper. You can just make a photo and upload it here.